And we are getting your blood clot.
I tell the people, me sick and tired of this.
Where you get the source?
Listen, my good people, me sick and tired of this. Me don't know about some of my DJs.
The truth can't set for free.
People, listen, people. Jigsy King this. Me sick and tired of this. How I go on. See, because you are going down now. When they dry there, we want to know where dry there. You know what hurt me? Because Barbados what they go perform. And tears what run out of me eye. You know why tears run out of me eye? Because when I look and see all the people that live good over Barbados. See, a tree killing them off last year. 1, 2, 3. I know, you know why it looks so sad? A Jamaican go over, they go kill the people them. A girl come from, a girl dead from Olaba. And girl, but she come from town, kill the girl. Cause choose, them a fight for one spot for who sell them vagina up on the corner. Our next youth kill them. So a week over Barbados we kill 3 people. 3 people dead. And from the year start, 1 people dead in Barbados. And a brother shoot. What the singer name? Rihanna, what's the girl name? Fair family. Rihanna family. 1 you shoot, 1 killing them up. One listen good, you know. Check Trinidad and check Ireland, Caribbean island. See? They can't. Jamaica, we pass them. We beat them bad in a crime. Our country so blessed. Our country so blessed. Oh, we have so much killing. Eh? Listen, when the company we are going to fast with the police are running him. Indicom. Listen to me, Indicom. Indicom, listen to me good. He said, if you know, stop interfere with the police them work, we want to find a billion when not have and burn it down. Leave the police them and the police them do them work. Leave the police them and the police them do them work.
Bad man for dead.
You understand to you?
No rape.
Leave the police them make the police them do them work.
See, left from boy.
Anybody will not agree with me. When listen to me good, you know. Listen good. We need back Jamaica. We need back Jamaica. You understand me need? We need back Jamaica. And the only way this can happen people, we have it, people, listen to me good. A Jigsy King is we need back Jamaica. We have people in England and Canada and America want to come back home to invest their money. Or can them come back and invest in our country where we have murder for 140 today the 28? And we can't, and we have so much murder, almost 150 and murder for 1 month. What can I deal this? What we really deal with? Tell me where I deal with. Dirty stinking gunman, the walla uno fi dead. The walla uno, we are keep up, we are mash up Jamaica, the walla uno fi dead. I mean, no matter what none of us said. No matter what none of uno wants them. We need about Jamaica with love and unity. You know, we can understand them youth. We have money. We have money. We have care. We have everything we don't want. And still a grown and a kill. Listen to me good. I'm talking about the entertainer part there. Listen to me good, artists. From artist to artist. Yesterday me and Bursa man a reason. See? Me and Bursa a reason. And Bursa Jigsy King. Listen to me good. Me need you to tell them. Listen to me people. Artists. Artists, my brother. It starts with we because our words them are very powerful, you know. See? So me understand say is a living thing, and sometimes no one prove to people say when they can chat the bad lyrics and they can do the gun thing about it. We don't need in Jamaica now DJ. DJ and singer, we cannot do no gun song right now. We have to leave the gun thing there because the youth them head chip. No more. Well, I don't listen to me, good. It's not a joke thing. Make a cool off and no more gun song. No more gun song. You know, and Jamaica need a different direction. Wanna listen to me go? Jamaica need a different direction. I mean, come like some more DJ boy away. Just a DJ because a DJ. Brethren, we need to start that thing where we are dealing with now, brother. We need to start the thing, you understand? So, I'm going to hope Popcorn can hear what I say, and I do one of them can hear what I say, and massacre them, and the whole of them. You understand? We're going to need the real people. You know, listen. The real people them can understand with. All of my friends them. All of my friends from Bounty Killer them and the whole of the hype them. So me and make a stand. We make a stand so we just know say, because artists, we play a big role in this, brother. We play a big role in this, Dan. Then the real people are dead, brother. A family are dead, brother. Look at you at show, a triple murder again in that down a Linstead, brother. Look at you tomorrow. 12 or 13, brother. A tomorrow man, look at you for go school, you know. Upon the ice and lay down for brother. Them things are serious, are real people are dead, brother.
Sad.
Oh, can make you go to Linstead market, not a quarter no sell. Oh, what a night. Oh, by the way, all Linstead gets so when Linstead gets so bad. All Linstead gets so bad. We can't make you go to Linstead market. Oh, if you have triple murder, check much people dead. Check much people dead from what day. Down in Linstead where we come from. Eh? Them dirty stinking gun, nothing gunman, gun boy. Cause the youth them are killing them are 15-year-old and them mother and them father hide them. Well, mother, listen to me, mother. You say, anytime we find out, say you hide your son as a gunman, gunman, eh?
Death penalty.
You mother, you your daughter and your son involved.
Your brother, your father,
involved in a murder. Listen to me now. Listen to me good now, mother, we hide your son. You know your son a dirty thinking murderer.
Thief, rapist.
And a broke down people place.
We're dead.
It's like a wicked from you.
Judgment.
Get back Jamaica, we know no more killing going to Jamaica. Stop now, no gunman. Dirty thinking gunman. We don't know no man. My friend, they want to come, we want to come from California, from Canada, and all over, and everybody afraid. Nobody know want to come back to Jamaica. Why? Because of who know? Who know dirty thinking gunman? Who know make people don't want to come back? Everybody say they want to go California, they want to go different place. We don't go where? All on the dirty thinking gunman, and go and go suck on a woman.
What you mean? Straight.
I mean, no matter about none of no want to accept. None want to accept. And any one of my DJ friends, them don't believe that when I say, no, go ahead to. All on the DJ boy, well, yeah, starting from me, Jixi King, call me DJ boy too. Anybody when I say love, I stop the youth from violence, and I go in. And all on the police when you're a gunman, them too, and I protect them too. You know bad just like them, no go ahead to.
Them have gunman for them for
and all on the politician when act like you don't want to stop, when you go ahead. The whole of we are mash up Jamaica, we are hang on. We don't love Jamaica. Because anyone love Jamaica, we don't never let a crime I go through. We don't know how I gunman them, we don't know how I give problem, I don't kill them. No go ahead. We don't go ahead. And give back Jamaica, we want to make nice Jamaica what we know about. We used to walk up and down. And the money make we happy in the youth. What if it's money make we happy? And the money make we happy youth.
One justice.
Jamaica, nice Jamaica, nice.
Justice one.
Jamaica one nice place. No go ahead. And give back with Jamaica.
Suck on the man.
Give back with nice Jamaica.
Dirty gunman.
Give back with nice Jamaica what we know about. The Jamaica where people ball to come out. Maybe in California and people are ball to come to Jamaica. Look what I do to Jamaica.
Justice boy.
Look what I do to Jamaica. We want back Adams. Send back Adams come back out. Bigger Ford on come back out. Merval on come back out. Go and kill them.
Murder some gun boy.
Move on the bomb class.
Suck on the mother. Now mash up Jamaica.
No. I uno girl will lead on no leg and do the gunman.
Never get some gunshot.
Keep me saying thing to uno not brethren. Uno know it feel? One if you don't know it feel. Feel when you know say your sister and your brother and your nephew them laid up on the ice. Probably the time they're gonna take we serious. They take we serious. Listen to me good. Gangster, different from gun fool. Big up every gangster. Me talk about gangster we protect the community. Me talk about gangster where we do the thing the right way. Gangster we are hold the order. Me talk about gangster we do the right blood clot thing. Big up on yourself. Me not talk some careless boy. Can you check it out? As some careless boy do be a fuckery. Only if grown and kill woman and picnic. Wanna go away? And go and go soft on the woman and go away. Wanna go about Jamaica. Me want about Jamaica. And nobody can't tell me that Jamaica can't come back. We can't come back Jamaica. Because no boy no better than, no country no great like we Jamaica. No country no great like we. A big star. Get a youth. Listen to me, get a youth. When you're down, one place they can go up. Don't make nobody tell you you can't make it in a life. Me not like no Dan, you know. Me not like no Dan.
Real meds,
Every Dan go suck your mother. Me not like no Dan. A Jah and God am my Dan. You hear me say? Just go, when all who listen to me, just go check up on my profile. I send people go foreign. I don't care if our embassy want here. I send you go foreign and we deal with football. Listen to me good. I talk with tears in my eye. If you start now, brother, and my sister, if you don't know, unless we don't love Jamaica, we don't love Jamaica, brother, so you better we just run away and done. Bet you we don't we do. Just tell me before we get when we're done. Or a 14 parish of Jamaica, where are we do? Alright, you were doing a 14 parish. If you don't plan to stop then, make her go in a parish for yourself. All who want to keep up them fuck with, I don't plan for us. Take a parish for yourself then. I don't go on, they go keep yourself and don't mix up with we no more. We're sick, we're tired. We can't take no more of this. Make no one hear. Every time we hear the news, somebody dead again. We can't go through no more of this. And we break, we run out of breath now. We can't take no more of this. And the funeral parlor alone has laugh. When my black sister, my black brother, my Jamaican sister, my brother, we love them. Where they love them. We are trying to tell Mr. Jamaica done. That's not trying to tell Mr. Jamaica done. We're not going to love again. And that's not Mr. Jamaica. We're not going to love again, Jamaica. Brethren, listen to them good now. We have to start learning to respect the soldier them. Respect the police them. Understand? Respect the nurse, the teacher them and everybody. Respect yourself, respect your mother, respect your father, show love. I tell the hard after there. When I grow, I suffer, you know. Me so walk and beg. Me so walk and beg Patty or Linstead. But me never broke down nobody's house. You know why I never broke down nobody's house? Because I tell myself, say, I want to be somebody in a life. One shoes, no clothes. But Jah and God help me. You understand? So, nobody feel like you can't be somebody in a life. Don't make nobody give no gun for shoot nobody. Tell them take your gun go shoot. Go do it themselves. Get a youth. Listen to me, you get a youth. Don't get a youth. Don't make nobody go boost and tell about what kill nobody. Make him go kill him himself. Please, my beg, no. We can find back the love of Jamaica. We know we can find back in Jamaica. We know we can find it back. Don't bother listen to them, Jamaica. Please. We can find back the love of Jamaica. See, I love the whole of Uno. Just remember, say me love the whole of Uno. The 14 parish. Every Jamaican will live overseas. We love Uno. We love Uno. We're going to do it and make sure Uno can come back around. Come back here. I'm supposed to meet with the Prime Minister Wednesday. Because I know Andrew like that, you know. And we have to put in a structure where them put fear in our way. So what we have to do, we have to double up like a fear in them. If I saw be a case. If I saw be, we're going to talk to them if they can't hear it. At time for broke them there. We'll start hang them if they can't hear with them. We'll hang them 3 times a day. Early in the morning, before you go to work, 200 we hang. And then lunchtime, 200 we hang. And then in the evening, we hang another 200 until you understand, say, we want about Jamaica. We start hang on. If you can't hear, so never stop a murder. And love no black brother, love no black sister. Make the tourists then come to Jamaica and happy and glad to come here and want to come back. That's my auntie and my granny. Because every woman out there, no. Me not know them and my auntie them, you know. And my granny them out there, say, no. Every Jamaican, you know. All we are family, you know, brother. Oh, when match keep, we go steal and go celebrate. When Jamaica school go, we get up and hug up each other. Oh, when you send Bolt,
like too nice.
Oh, when you send Bolt to run, we grew up up a halfway tree and grew up up a Mantico beer. And when you send Bolt, I broke a record them, we hug up each other. And when that done, we come back away and kill people. That means say, we are some fake. Brethren. More Usain Bolt still there. Think Usain Bolt alone. We still have more Usain Bolt. So stop kill Africa youth them. And stop no slackness. Jamaica, me love on a Jigsy King this. Me love it. You know what is some DJ boy free for talk? No, you know why some DJ boy free for talk? Eh? Because them buy gunman them. No gunman can't say me ever buy them a gun. No gunman. No boy can't say Jigsy King buy them no bullet. No boy can't do that. Tell some DJ we wanna make bag of nice for. Ask them. If you come contact, say never buy no gun. Them can't come and contact to one people. How why? Them buy gunman them. Me never buy a gun gear boy. Me buy these football boot and Clarks and ballet and car give me friend them and buy food give them. Come here so suffer. Jamaica, me love you now. Yeah, Jamaica, Jigsy King this. Me love you now. See? Give me the weed, cool ganja weed, me love you now, Jamaica. Listen to me, Jamaica. Listen to me, Jamaica. Listen to me, Jamaica. Well, the place gets so dirty, oh, the place gets so dirty. Oh, the little juvenile, them get so monkey. Place gets so dirty, oh, the place gets so dirty. And so them plan for live, them naga past 30. This can't be a blessing, this have to be a curse. Tell the pastor them we need more prayer from the church. The youth them nowadays have a devil them a serve. We can't afford to make that thing a take over the turf. And a fan will come from, hey, I just some man birth. Come on, Jamaica, make we get rid of the germs. No freaky boys and no freaky girls. No devil boy and no devil girl. Well, the rapper boy me want put in the earth, and a child molester them skin a go burn. A rich fool that talk about a devil run the world. Hey boy, you want a lightning ball in your nerve. Police and gunman a shot people like a bird. We look at them to respect the 4-letter word. Me big up the street but me burn out the curve. The way that you know bad man a go no more verse. Long time me a want about the damn pink shirt. They never want hear and no thing get worse. Go go check the Bible, go go read the verse. No boy to no boy and no girl to no girl. Remember for nothing for you the fire a go burn. We and this damn politics now a go work. No more labor right, no PNP, no stand firm. Even about Selassie, I mean, I fear another. Oh, the place gets so dirty, oh, the place gets so dirty. Oh, the little juvenile, them get so mucky. Place gets so dirty, oh, the place gets so dirty. I saw them plan for living, no, them not go past 30. So look good, they see them run day again. Tattoo never coach even then they move like them a spend. Me tell the Jamaica in a serious problem. Cause the school ask them, we can't talk to them. You know, see a big woman and big man them. Them a say no teacher can't beat them. Me no know how mislead them. Some say 10 million to the devil upon them. But me come say not all the dirty one them. Cause them only love only the dirty sang them. And you to attend bus gonna be bigger than them. The 14 person lock up all the damn them. So you know lock up the politician them. And them get the gun to the gunman them. You know see where paradise it a mass down. Cause corruption them a run down. Them a big up cocaine and dirty white rum. The best on them a west. Them a bunny down. The little school girls them stop board them tongue. Good morning, good evening. Them the days done. 1966 member I had the king come. You don't understand I still see I come. That means no slackness of a go and jam down. Say they'll keep it and go fire every. Oh, the place gets so dirty. Oh, the place gets so dirty. Oh, the little juvenile. Jamaica, I love you. Jamaica people, them I love you. Love the bad. James the King, I love you. Big up. Selassie.
Yeah, man.
Yes, I am. You don't know the thing going on. And that was the voice of Jigsy King. Well said, my brother. I mean, I tell you, so we don't like what go on and we have burned them out. From the politician to the police and the army and the entertainers, them were incite violence. And if you know one another, no more gun lyrics, boy, a Chesa talking. Could never be another one. I want to know. When you stop the whole violence thing, dada. Stop kill woman and pitney them, brother. Live good on the little island where we have Jamaica is a very nice place. You understand? I want to learn. Open up on the ears and listen. Stop make people going on the mind. You understand what I say? We don't like it. Good Jamaica. I go in a hole. No, sir, fuck you, I go and run a rasta. We don't like it. I build one, build back the thing and make the tourists them swinging. You understand what I say? The youth them for learn. Because who can learn, I go fail. You understand what I say? And if I force we have to reach out to nobody, we're not going to feel it. You understand? Because we not give people real bullets, real cutlass chop and stab around you. You understand? And poison people. We don't like none of uno. We here to know. You understand? And the mama for poison uno to uno should have dead when not bad. And the mama put should have wrap around in the neck. You see me? We tired of uno. Enough of uno mama and papa afraid to talk and afraid of the dirty son them. You understand what I say? And if you go, no more gunman. I don't like none of uno. You see me? I have to talk, I burn me, I vex. You see me? And if you go, man, and go one side, man. I'm sorry I wasn't God. Because I don't think it will drop down dead. I melt like butter, what I'm told. You see me? Fire me burn for one. I'm entertaining a brother them. The thing is very serious. It's fucking serious. Gonna stop it. No more gun thing around here and no lyrics around here. Write some girl song, man, and some reality thing, man, where I teach the youths them, man, how to live up and earn something around here, elevate themselves, and stop downgrading the thing that. You saw me, I say, when I fuck up the place, brother, I mean, I love it. Good Jamaica go down in a hole. We need the country to rise instead of fall. And you say, no opposition leader, no leader where run the thing. We don't need to know what I do, because we don't know enough of them gun boy and them whole heap of man them where kill people. We don't know them because we're not afraid. You see me? And we're not afraid for chat. We're sick of it and all that. We don't have to fix the thing. You see me? We don't give enough of them boy strength, you know. And them not no sense. We say, oh, when we don't give them strength, the Babylon them a come back come kill them because we don't send them to come kill them. The gun them need to turn back the way they are coming from. You understand what I say? We don't like them thing there. Rasta, we tired of it now. And the whole of we are kill off the people and they need to go suck out to the mama. Straight. You understand what I say? Chest attack. Who don't like that? Drop down and dead. I'm done shot. I mean say gun a chat. You see me? Run away. Done we done chat.